Welcome to my channel!
Hi.
Our topic is about river meets sea. Fresh river water and salty sea water meet in an estuary, a gateway between the river and the sea. Estuaries attract many different kinds of life. Salmon journey through them to lay their eggs in rivers before traveling back to the ocean. Newly hatched fish shelter in the beds of sea grasses that grow there. At low tide, wading birds flock to the mudflats surrounding an estuary to feed on tasty worms or scurrying crabs. People come to fish or collect shellfish and oysters. A river sometimes breaks into separate streams, or tributaries, as it reaches the sea. Mud is carried by the streams and deposited at the mouth of the river, creating flat lowland called delta. Because the tide floods the delta, the ground stays salty and wet all the time. Grasses grow on the marsh that forms, which makes the delta good for farming. Mangroves thrive in fresh or salty water, and many are found around the shore's river estuaries. They grow in mud that is full of water, so their roots develop above the ground and reach out to absorb oxygen. A safe place. Water birds, insects, worms, shellfish, crabs, fish and plants share the environment of an estuary, where there is always plenty of food. A view from above. Fresh water from a river flows into a sheltered estuary, where it mixes with salt water form the sea. Archerfish. These fish shoot insects with water. When the insects land in the water, the fish are ready to eat them. Bluefish. These bluefish are sometimes called tailor because their teeth cut like tailor's scissors. The young are often caught in estuaries by people who like to fish for sport. Mud whelks have large spiral-shaped shells and are related to common garden snails. Seahorses. These unlikely-looking fish swim upright, propelled by dorsal fins. Many kinds of clams can be eaten, but you may have difficulty finding these burrowing mollusks. Ghost nippers. These small pinkish-white creatures burrow in the muddy sands and nip anyone who tries to catch them. Mussels begin as larvae that swim about freely. Tiny hair-like projections help them move in the water. As mussels grow, they develop a wedge-shaped bivalve shell, which has two sections hinged together. The shells are anchored to rocks by strands. Through some species burrow into sand. For our next episode, we will be talking about the seashore. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye guys.